Hello guys. Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you all are very good, doing well, enjoying yourself, cultivating yourself for being digital. So today I have brought in front of you another digital tool, another weapon so that you can be digitalized and make our world a digital, easy, working and accessible anywhere, everywhere, anywhere in my fingertips. So last time mind mapping, I think it was very useful for y'all. I definitely enjoy sharing my views, but if you have any doubt, please do tell me. So today also I have brought one of the wonderful app, one of the nice mind mapping tool, and its name is I won't tell you now. First let's go to Google and type the app's name is, the app name also starts from M. Its name is Mindomo, like a Momo. Like mind map, its name is Mindomo. So here we have the option of login, sign up, Mindomo. So let's go to sign up and see. If you go inside sign up option, they will show you for teachers, students and personal work. So students can also access this. Personal work, those who do, they also can access it. For teachers, today I'm going to tell about the teachers. In that, mind map assignments teachers can do, history of students activity, assignment status, real-time feedback, grading mechanism you can do, curriculum planning, in-class presentation, outline creation. So if you can see in the side, for student it is also there, for personal work it is also there. So you have to prepare a login. As I have told you all earlier, you have to access your mail ID and then we can do it in a proper way. So as you can see, I am accessing over here with my mail ID and its icon is like M. So I have already used it in order to show you all. I have made one subtopic here. You can see create, import. You can import from somewhere. So I have made the Digital India one. We will access it right now. So this is my topic, Digital India, educate common man to digitalization. So my coming forth videos will also be in Hindi so that even a common man can understand it. So let's see, its icon is M. One by one options, let me see. The first option here, you can save your, make a copy, export, print, tools, shortcuts, view as outline, map, properties, help. This is the first one. Then the other one, you can go back and come further. Insert topic, if you want to insert, as you can see how it is getting inserted. Then you can make the connections here, connecting with the subtopic to which topic you want, like dot. You can see if you want to connect with certain topics, the main topic or maybe the digital one or maybe the other one, whichever you feel it is convenient and easy for you all. The next one is which type of mind maps you want to access. The type, some people like maybe squares, maybe rectangles, maybe so many topics may be there. As per that you can do. So here we have opened the notes one. In this notes, teacher can insert notes there. Teacher can put her discussion. Teacher can even tell the students like discuss in your group. And tomorrow I am going to teach you this lesson. So before you are teaching in hand, what knowledge, previous knowledge the students has, definitely and automatically you can get here with the perfect spellings, with the perfect typing, with the perfect presentation and with the perfect group coordination. This app is also a collaborating app. So as you can see here, I have typed discuss in your group regarding Digital India. Tomorrow I am going to take your session. So in this way, teacher can definitely give them notes here. You can give some answers. They can copy it in their books. You can give them some discussion topics. If you have put forth the topic, what you want to say. So mind map was just a mind mapping sessions. It was a maps. But here it is little bit advanced of that, where you can have so many things. You can say so many discussions over here. So the first one out of these options here, the notes option, which is very easy. Then you can go to images, hyperlink is also there. So as you see, notes you can save there. And hyperlink attachments, you can put any of the attachments which is easier for the students and also convenient for the students. Then images, you can put add icons, as I've already added the icon in Digital India. You can show the videos, subtopic related videos you can show to students as usually does. The references parts, then you can put audio. If you want to talk to students regarding anything, you can drag the audios and put there. Then at the down you can see the bulb type. It's a bookmark system of using Mindomo. Then the other one, help. Anywhere if you have any problem while accessing Mindomo, you can definitely access to that help. The important session here is a sharing session. In this sharing session here, definitely you are going to use your mail IDs. It's a very professional approach of approaching WhatsApp group. Definitely it's easier if you can put link and show the proper you can show them how to access it. They will access with the help of the links. Here you can put the mail ID. There are certain options like send. You can type also. Before sending to the student, you can send some messages. So as last time I have shown you all, they have received the message that I have skipped here. But if you put like this and send to the student, definitely they are going to listen and they are going to, if they are opening it to access it, definitely it will happen. But if you are giving access to everyone, then that time be careful. You have to prepare your login. That part I have shown you all. Now see, I am inserting the student mail ID here, and even I have inserted my mail ID so that mail is coming or not in order to check that. But if you do definitely it's going to help you, and you can send some message, discuss it by tomorrow itself. Otherwise I won't take the discussion. You can say like that to the student, or in another way, in a very special way also, you can say to the student whatever you want to tell in mail at one sentences. If you want to tell something, definitely you can do that. So this was a very easy app. I felt I just opened it and I have seen all the options there and I have gone through it. It made me really very happy. Small discussion if you want to do, or big, just bifurcate the student in a 10 group so that you will get the students' creativity. Each student's creativity is different, so that they won't you can see so many mind maps. So here, as you can see, I have already texted the messages that your discussion is a homework. Do your discussion properly, like that I have added message, and I am sharing now. Before sharing, there is it up anyone here. You can see in the upper option now where I am going to access right now. Anyone with the internet connection can use that. I have kept. Look at that before sharing. Then after adding the mail ID, if any mail ID is wrong, you can edit it, you can view and copy paste it also. So here I have searched like copy paste of mail ID was not accessible by me, but you can check out. I copy pasted that time, I have typed it. So these are the 4 options. If you want only the monitors or the group leaders to access, you can give that access to one person, and others can share his view to the leaders, and then that leader can put forth that mind map. So if you are bifurcating into 5 groups, then that 5 groups will become 1 like 5 maps you will get out of their discussion, out of their creative ideas, and out of the type of maps that you are going to. So out of this 4, I have chosen the second one, public on the web. Anyone on the internet can find and view that I have selected. But after that I have selected the 4th option, all can access. That time these things have came. So this is a very easy one. It's a very convenient one. You have to make the login and you can interact with the student in a very nice way. So I love this app. If you like this app, do definitely use of it and make your teaching a progressive, a purposeful teaching and an interactive teaching. Internet teaching is really very easy than compared to earlier. We don't know to access, but we are learning. Don't know doesn't work to us. We know only to learn. That is the main motto of our channel also. So if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe after this.